It's a bad man thing.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and of course ring the bell so you get every single post notification. This review is on a new unit and it's by Sensationnel and it's part of their Swiss silk base 4x4 collection in the style IZZA or IZZA. So here is her care card, and the color that the model is rocking is that 613. Yeah, that's 613. I may revisit that color. I don't know yet. But the color that I went with is a number 2. So if you are interested in the unit, definitely check out BLACKHAIRSPRAY.com. Their information will be in the description box down below. So she is a light yaki unit, very, very soft. Here is your parting space. And I did jump the gun and I plucked and tweezed just a little bit out of this unit. Here is that lovely silk 4x4 parting. And you do have 2 combs right next to the silk base. And then you have 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. So if you are interested in seeing Miss IZZA, then go ahead and keep watching. So here I am with Miss IZZA, and let me tell you, this was not what I planned for this wig. I was planning to do a middle part, but when I was trying to show where the silk base parting was, it just came to me and I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and do a side part on this unit to see what it looks like. And I'm very happy. So I'm so glad I did not go with the middle part. So cap construction on this unit is big head friendly, very comfortable cap, and you do get considerable parting space with that silk base closure. My only con kind of with the silk base, it is very easy to over pluck this unit. I would suggest not plucking this. I did go in and take out some hairs and I immediately regretted it. Here is your hairline on this unit. This is with very little leave out, and I really don't know what else to say about this unit, but let me go ahead and give you guys a 360. One thing that I've noticed about silk base units compared to hand-tied lace frontal units, there seems to be a line of demarcation that I can never fully get rid of, especially with the lace part. But I think that is really my only really con with this unit. Everything else is just beautiful on this wig, especially the texture. It is, in my opinion, just a little bit choppy, maybe in the back, but this is definitely a winner, honey. You can't tell me this ain't CEO status. So if you guys are interested in Miss IZZA, definitely check out BLACKHAIRSPRAY.com. Their information is in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, comment, of course, subscribe to the channel. Follow your girl on Snapchat where you get sneak peeks of any wig review I do. And make sure you wear it with confidence. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Kiki.